August the 12th, 2026. 10 minutes past 8 in the evening. Solar eclipse. 90% solar eclipse. Huge gratitude for being able to be here and experience this. Yeah, very rare occasion. Absolutely wonderful. Taking in the sights, the sounds, the feeling. With much love to everybody watching this video. May your world be full of peace, harmony, and love. So that was it. 90% solar eclipse taken in North Holland, Julianadorp, at the beach. Amazing experience. Hope you enjoyed it too, wherever you are in the world. Maybe you weren't able to experience it, so this was the next best thing. Thanks for joining me again for Nature Nurtures. Keep enjoying life and be grateful for what you have in life, whatever that might be. Not necessarily things, in fact preferably not things. The intangible, those little things, those little habits, the love, the peace, the harmony, the relationships, the connections that you have with others. Gratitude for those, and of course for being alive, because it's great to be here on planet Earth. Take care. Bye for now.